1. Make regular exercise a lifestyle. As you age, movement is not a luxury, but a necessity. Regular physical activity is the most effective way to preserve muscle mass and bone density, improve joint mobility, support cardiovascular health, and even slow down cognitive decline. Exercise also releases endorphins, the so-called happiness hormones, reducing the risk of depression, which is common in later years. The key is to create a sustainable program suited to your age and fitness level, one that you actually enjoy. Never overexert yourself, and always consult your doctor before starting a new routine. Aerobic exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity, brisk walking, slow cycling, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity, swimming, dancing, per week. This strengthens your heart, regulates blood pressure, and boosts energy levels. Strength training. Twice a week, use light dumbbells, resistance bands, or your own body weight, sit to stand, light crunches, to target all major muscle groups. This is your strongest weapon against sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Balance and flexibility. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes daily to yoga, tai chi, or simple stretching. These activities greatly reduce the risk of falls and make everyday movements easier. 2. Pay attention to your diet. As you get older, your nutritional needs change while metabolism slows down. This makes every calorie count more important. A balanced diet helps maintain energy levels, lowers the risk of chronic diseases, and supports the immune system. Choose whole, natural, colorful foods instead of processed products, sugar, and saturated fats. Half your plate should be fruits and vegetables, a quarter whole grains, and the other quarter quality protein. Protein, the building block of muscle tissue. Include protein in every meal. Lean meats, fish, at least twice a week. Eggs, dairy products, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans, and nuts, seeds, are excellent sources. Fiber-rich foods. Essential for regular digestion, preventing constipation, and controlling cholesterol. Vegetables, fruits, whole wheat bread, whole grain pasta, oats, and bulgur are rich in fiber. Vitamins and minerals. Calcium and vitamin D work together to prevent osteoporosis. Calcium, dairy products, leafy greens. Vitamin D, fatty fish, egg yolk, and sunlight. Vitamin B12, needed for nerve health and red blood cell production. Absorption decreases with age, so include meat, fish, eggs, and fortified cereals in your diet. 3. Get enough quality. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. Although changes in sleep patterns, lighter sleep, waking earlier, are normal with age, poor sleep is not inevitable. Quality rest strengthens memory, regulates hormones, reduces inflammation, and lowers accident risk. If you suffer from persistent problems like insomnia or sleep apnea, consult a specialist. Regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your circadian rhythm. Sleep environment. Use your bedroom only for sleep. Keep the room cool, 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. Dark, thick curtains, and quiet, earplugs if needed. A comfortable mattress and pillow are crucial. Avoid screens. Stop using phones, tablets, TVs, and computers at least 1 to 2 hours before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. Instead, try reading or listening to soft music. 4. Keep your mind active. The brain has neuroplasticity, the ability to rewire and adapt throughout life. Staying mentally engaged strengthens neural connections and helps protect against Alzheimer's and other dementias. Any activity that breaks routine and makes you think is an investment in your mental health. Puzzles and games. Sudoku, crosswords, chess, Scrabble, word games, or strategy-based card games, like bridge, are great brain workouts. Learn new skills. Take up hobbies that challenge your brain. Learn a new language, play an instrument, paint, try new recipes, or join online courses. Reading and discussion. Read books regularly, follow newspapers, and discuss topics of interest with friends. This sharpens critical thinking and memory. 5. Maintain social connections. Humans are social beings, and loneliness in older adults is a serious health risk. It increases the chances of depression, anxiety, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Meaningful connections lower stress, boost self-confidence, and provide a sense of purpose. Regular contact. Stay connected with family and old friends through phone calls, video chats, or small meetups. Join groups. A great way to meet new people. Take part in local courses, painting, public speaking, computer, book clubs, walking groups, or volunteer programs. Get a pet. A cat or dog can ease loneliness. Dogs, in particular, motivate you to go for walks, which also helps physical health. Over 60% of your body is water, essential for nutrient transport, temperature regulation, joint lubrication, and toxin removal. With age, thirst perception decreases, and kidneys retain less water, raising the risk of dehydration. Symptoms include fatigue, dizziness, confusion, and constipation. Hydration habits. Don't wait until you feel thirsty. Drink water regularly throughout the day. Always carry a water bottle. Having a glass before meals aids hydration and appetite control. Alternatives. If you dislike plain water, flavor it with cucumber, mint, lemon, strawberries, or cinnamon. Eat water-rich fruits and vegetables like watermelon, melon, and cucumber. Unsweetened herbal teas also count. Limit caffeinated and alcoholic drinks as they dehydrate. 7. Prevent falls. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury, disability, and even death among older adults. Weak muscles, balance issues, vision problems, and certain medications increase risk. But with a few precautions, many falls are preventable. Make your home safe. Remove loose rugs or secure them with non-slip mats. Clear walkways of cables and clutter. Install grab bars in bathrooms, use non-slip mats, and ensure good lighting in hallways and stairways. Proper footwear. Even indoors, avoid walking barefoot or just in socks. Choose flat, closed-back, non-slip shoes that fit well. Avoid high heels and worn-out soles. Vision and hearing checks. Have regular eye and hearing tests. Poor vision or hearing makes it harder to notice hazards. 8. Develop stress management skills. Chronic stress keeps the body in fight-or-flight mode, which wears it down. It raises blood pressure, weakens immunity, disrupts sleep, and increases the risk of anxiety and depression. Managing stress in healthy ways protects both mind and body. Mindfulness and meditation. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily of meditation or deep breathing lowers stress hormones. Try inhaling to a count of 4, holding to 7, and exhaling slowly to 8. Time in nature. Forest bathing, or simply spending time outdoors, walking in a park, gardening, or sitting on a bench, reduces stress and boosts mood. Social support. Instead of isolating yourself when stressed, share your feelings with a trusted friend or family member. Social connection is one of the strongest buffers against stress. 9. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Tobacco and heavy drinking are two of the most preventable health risks. Cigarettes with thousands of toxic chemicals harm nearly every organ system. Alcohol damages the liver, increases cancer risk, weakens the heart, and accelerates cognitive decline. But it's never too late to quit. Within hours of quitting smoking, heart rate and blood pressure begin to normalize. Cutting back or eliminating alcohol improves sleep, helps the liver repair itself, and lowers accident risk. Seek medical support if needed. 10. Don't skip regular checkups. Preventive care is the cornerstone of healthy aging. Regular health screenings can detect problems early before symptoms appear when they're most treatable. Open, honest communication with your doctor is essential. Annual checkup. Get a general checkup at least once a year. Monitor blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Based on age and risk factors, your doctor may recommend extra screenings, bone density test, colonoscopy, etc. Medication management. Tell your doctor about all prescription, over-the-counter medications and supplements you take. Always follow correct dosages. If you see multiple doctors, make sure each one knows about all your medications. Eye, dental, and hearing health. Eye exams catch problems like glaucoma and cataracts early. Regular dental checkups not only protect your teeth, but also reduce risks linked to gum disease, such as heart problems. Hearing tests also directly improve quality of life. Do you want me to keep this version formal and informative, like a health guide? Or would you like me to also create a simplified, easy-to-read version for everyday readers?